to check some phone. Like, I'm not buying big phone, I'm not buying expensive phone.
Per andare a pagare alla cassa.
Dove?
Ok?
Ok, questo?
Questo è il prezzo pieno. In cassa viene fatto lo sconto come c'è scritto lì.
Ok, va bene.
Poi vieni qua a prendere.
Ok. Dove è la cassa? Dove? Ok. So guys, I'm going to where I will be paying. So the phone was this is the price of the phone. I don't know if you guys can see, is €129. Is a Motorola. So I need phone so that I can be using it to download my videos. iPhone cannot download video, but I use iPhone to create my, like as I'm talking to you, I'm using iPhone to create my content. But I need phone, I need normal phone. Since my phone have spoiled, if I say let me go and repair that phone, they will collect 150, because like 3 months ago I paid 150 just to repair that phone and it's spoiled. It's not even up to 3 months. Do you get? So my husband said I should not repair it, I should take it to Africa. So I just buy this one just to be using it for my YouTube. I really need another phone. I cannot use one phone because I really need phone to, like, a lot of free version that I normally use in that my phone. I cannot do them in this place. So any little thing, iPhone will tell me that my memory is full, like a lot of things. If I want to do good thumbnail, like I know I have Canva here, but if I want to make thumbnail to be very bold, if you have been watching my video, you see that my thumbnail is sick. My thumbnail is sick. So everything just somehow these days. So that's why I said, okay, if any money enter my hand, I will just come. I wanted to buy on Facebook Market. In short, somebody is waiting for me by 6 o'clock. This is just, I think, 5:40 now. So I want to go and collect the phone. It's €100. But somebody told me that I should come to this place that I will get new one for maybe €80 or €70. So I'm here now. So I'm so sorry that I didn't go and collect the €100 one again. I will just chat the person about it. Sono qua prima.
79,99.
Sì. So I'll be paying with my husband card. Somebody's son give me card to pay. Okay.
Chiede PIN.
Dove? Ah, so this is what this place looks like. Very big and all that. So guys, I've paid now.
Ciao, grazie.
Grazie. I've paid now. This is the card. So this is the amount that I paid. This is the amount that I paid. So it's a Motorola phone. So with this one, they did 50% discount. So with this one, I will be buying this Motorola. So this is the price. I don't know if I showed you guys before. This is the price, guys. This is the price. So let me tell you something. Without Android, I am nobody. I don't really know the way I'm going to put it now. Like, without Android phone, I don't believe if I can live, if I can stay. Like, since then I've done 3 weeks now, I don't have Android phone. I'll be sick. Because okay, a lot of features are in this phone. Like, I don't need to subscribe to anything, but iPhone, you need to subscribe to a lot of things. How much am I working? Gracias, ciao. See my phone, my new phone, my new baby. So I know it's just little money, but I just need it to do some YouTube, to download video, iPhone download video. But before you download 2 or 3 videos, they will tell you your phone have virus. Do you get? They will tell you your phone have virus. Okay, so that's why I don't want to be using it. And dove è uscita, scusa? Dove è uscita? Dove è uscita? I want to. So before you use iPhone, they will not tell you you need your phone have virus. I don't understand. So I beg, I don't have money to be subscribing €5, €10 every month. I beg, not get that kind of money. My way to work, I'm going to work So I decided to come to this place first to get this phone before I can go to work. See me, this is my working, this is my working bag, my working shoe. So by tomorrow, like this night, this evening, I will be unboxing it. See me for road. My boss is coming, thank God. So guys, talk to you guys later. Maybe I will take you guys when I'm going to work, when I'm inside the train and all that. So if I did not vlog, I will see you at home maybe tomorrow. Bye. Let's drink tea and mind our business. Mind the business that fetch you money. That's what I'm doing now. I am minding my business that paid me money, okay? That paid me monthly. That's what I'm doing, okay? You know what I'm saying? Somebody saw this. Why did you look yourself on my video? I wish I knew I for on the camera for grants so that you would. Your water not boy, make your own. I'm gonna chop one. And you don't need bread. I'm just eating toastless. So guys, in this video I'll be taking you guys along what I'm going to prepare. So as you can see in this video, I'm just trying to prepare stew. I'll be preparing stew and this fish. Like guys, did you see my gas? So when I was boiling the meat, because I did take you guys along when I was boiling the chicken and everything. So because what I did, I put the meat with the meat that I want to use to cook the stew and the meat I want to use to cook the vegetable soup. I boiled them together. Do you understand? So when I was boiling them, I put stockfish. You get? So I put stockfish inside this thing so that the stockfish will be very, very soft. At least before I started use it to cook and all that. So guys, this is what I blended together. I put flour, all-purpose flour, and Maggi, what is it called, seasoning and all those things, blah blah blah, salt. So I'm just using it to rub my tilapia fish. So this tilapia fish, it has been long. I really want to fry it. Like I like to fry it like this sometimes, but not every time. Okay. So I leave it for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes thereabouts so that it can like the ingredients will go inside it. So my stew is ready. Like the meat where I did this soup just too much. As in, I don't just know the kind of, I don't know where I for come. I don't know the village when I for come, but we go talk that one another day. I don't even know. Imagine if I say, okay, I want to use this particular meat to cook. That meat will be small, but if I fry, before I fry everything like this, you see that the meat has full everywhere. I don't understand. at the end of the day, we'll be eating only the stew we finish. The meat will still be inside that place. So guys, this is me just cooking this spinach. This is the block one, the one they say in this is the type they say in the supermarket that is block. Maybe if you want to buy that fresh one that you can slice yourself. If you cannot get that one, you can also get this one. This one is the one they have already made before, okay, but they put it inside the fridge. See my gas, I'm just laughing at myself. So as I was saying, it was that okporoko, Igbo people, okporoko. It was that okporoko I put inside. It was that okporoko that make this my gas to look like this. I've never, since you have been watching my video, have you ever seen my gas like this? Hey, peculiar, I just still cook. Have you ever seen my gas like this? The thing that happened is that, as I was cooking, you know, when the meat is boiling out like this, if the meat is boiling out, I didn't know that if you are boiling okporoko, the tea will be foaming. It will be foaming and all those things. Me can't go inside, go sit down, go there edit my video. Can you imagine? Oh, I can't go there edit my video, and somebody Sunday for parlor for there. He said, you know, na ball, you just concentrate on the ball. He never say, oh, what did they throw away for fire like this? He face ball, they look ball. If they look ball, it not help me. My man said, make I just go check what they put for fire. Now she said, oh, my stove everywhere don't full. So guys, I'm so sorry, I say, make I take una along. And not be say I go come watch this thing. I know they do all those steps. Now man, see me as you see me. Now be this one so that is okporoko. So next time now, I've already know that next time I will not be leaving the okporoko alone. Like I will stay there with the okporoko to done because it will be for me. So guys, this is actually the first time I'm washing my gas like this, because my gas not the dirty like that. You know the dirty, like the first ever strong cleaning I've ever done on this gas. Because the gas not the dirty like that. I just clean it, use this to take clean and don't finish. I don't come up for there. So guys, these are the food that I prepared. This is the melon soup that I prepared before, because I did a video before vlogging this one. So this is the vegetable soup, my stew, and the what is it called, my fish, tilapia fish. I've already seasoned it with my stew and pepper. So guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. This is 6:40 in the evening, since morning. So I want to go and take my bait. Okay, I want to go and take my bait now before I will come and fry. I will be frying plantain now, but first of all I want to take my bait, then I'll fry yam. So I will use this with this sauce. So that's what I'm eating in the evening, because I've not eaten since morning. So to become a woman is not a job. Bye.